Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sign a lease online on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and your profile here. And also the search bar in the middle. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sign a lease online on Zillow. So your landlord or property manager will first need to prepare the lease for e-signing from the Zillow account. Once the lease is ready, you will receive a notification email with a link to sign the lease. Open the email and click the link provided. Sign into your Zillow using the email that received the notification. Carefully review the entire lease document. You must scroll through all pages before you can sign. Then start signing, fill out the signature, and complete the process. After all parties have signed, you can download and print the lease from your lease hub. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.